What if I told you that you are probably burning money on TikTok ads right now? And it's not your fault. You're being taught where to click, but nobody is teaching you how to think. So here is what's happening. You watch tutorials, you set up campaigns, you spend money, and crickets. Meanwhile, other brands are turning TikTok into money printing machines. This person went from $75,000 to $800,000. Regular people are making $20,000 from a single live stream. The difference? They understand something you don't yet. Every course out there shows you buttons and settings, but they never explain the strategy behind why something works. It's like learning to drive but memorizing where the pedals are, but never understand traffic rules. That's why I've created the TikTok Ad Strategy Accelerator. So in just a few hours, you will discover which campaign type actually fits your business: Smart Plus, Shop ads, or ads for Shopify. Pick wrong and you will bleed money. The micro story formula that stops scrolls, that will turn nice videos into shut up and take my money content. When to let AI run your ads and when to take control, because 71% of advertisers get better results with Smart Plus if they set it up right. How to sell directly in TikTok, where 47% of viewers actually complete purchases. Only three metrics that matter. And the hint: likes and views aren't on this list. One student went from losing $2,000 a month to generate 4x returns. Another scaled from $50,000 to $200,000 in 6 weeks. Why? Because they stopped guessing and start strategizing. Look, I'm not going to waste your time showing you where the buttons are. TikTok changes those every few months anyway. So instead, you will get strategic frameworks that work regardless of updates, real campaign breakdowns, templates you can use immediately, and community to help you when you are stuck. Plus, if you don't have anything to sell yet, I will share a product you can start promoting and earn 50% commission. Perfect for practicing when you learn. Here's the thing: every day you wait, you are either losing money on bad campaigns or missing opportunities while others cash in. The TikTok Ad Strategy Accelerator is ready for you right now. Once you finish the course, you could have your first strategy campaign running the right way. And look, this comes with a money back guarantee. If you don't get at least 10x more clarity on TikTok ads, you get your money back. It's simple. But I'll be honest, once you see the difference between tactical guessing and strategic thinking, you won't want a refund. You will want to launch campaigns and be part of our long term partnership. So stop burning money on confusion and start building campaigns that actually convert. Your journey from scroll to smart growth starts right now.